Now, with all that being said, I'm a technical trader, so all of that is fun, but what I care most about is what's happening on the charts and what tells me the truest story of what you guys, the investors, the market, what you guys consider to be valuable or not valuable is what's happening on the charts. And what's been happening on the charts? Well, not too much. Well, a little bit, but then overall not too much. So heading into the shutdown, we did see some weakness in the US dollar. We also saw more strength in both gold and the yen, right? And we spoke to our traders on the platform, not this morning, but a few days ago about why this happens. And understand that the market is always bouncing between kind of safe havens, right? The dollar is the safe haven. If it's not the dollar, it's going to be gold. So when they don't want to invest in the dollar, they take their money from the dollar and put it in gold. Or they don't want to invest in the dollar, they feel dangerous being in the dollar, they take it and they put it in yen. So it doesn't become much of a surprise when you see that a little bit of fear for the US dollar, we see gold, we see yen start to grow in strength. And like I mentioned earlier, when these short-term shutdowns occur, the markets just really shake it off. They don't really care. They kind of just go on with their normal marketing things, and that's what we're seeing right now. Now, with that being said, although the market will shrug off short-term shutdowns, if this becomes a longer-term shutdown, I do think we're going to see more and more of a reaction in the market. Not because the more uncertainty we have, the more nervous people get and the more our minds start to do weird things. But remember, we are in an interest rate cutting, maybe, right? Cycle. We're supposed to be an interest rate cutting cycle here in the US. And the next interest rate cut, whether it's 25 or 50, there was some debate between that. We'll never know because we don't have the data now. Is supposed to come at the end of October, October 29th. And the closer we get to that date with more uncertainty, we're going to start to see more sporadic moves in the market. We're going to see the market start to assume different things. And then when that news is released, those people that assumed wrong will see massive floods in the opposite direction.